So let's look at some more probability question. Sarah also played tennis because in part A we're talking about Sean. Each time that Sarah plays a service game, the probability that she wins is 0.78. So here we have numerical information. So we have two options: probability of winning, that is 0.78, and then the other one is probability of losing, isn't it? So that, how do I know how much will be probability of losing? Well, she either win or lose, both together are 1. So if from 1 we take away 0.78, we get 0.22. That is the probability of losing, assuming that winning each service game is independent. So first thing, what is the probability that Sarah will lose her next service game? That is that she won't win her next service game. We just done that. It is 1 minus 0.78, and that is 0.22. We basically calculating the probability of losing. Next part. What is the probability that the first service game that Sarah loses is her third? Hold on, is her third service game. So she has third, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what happened here? That the third is the first that she loses. So here she lost. That means that here win and win, W, and lose. So that's basically what it is. And we just replace that with our numbers. So winning again is 0.78. So it is 0.78 when it is and we multiply. Again, winning 0.78 and therefore multiply, and losing is 0.22. And again, we put that in the calculator, we press equal, and we get 0.134 to 3 decimal places.